7 months ago, I was in Ibeju Lekki to show you an update of what is going on. And within the space of 7 months, this place has actually transformed from what you used to know to something massive, as in lovers of Lady Realtor. I really need to show you what is going on. And that is why we are having Ibeju Lekki tour part 2. Now, for the sake of those that don't know what is going on the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, I decided to start this tour from Bogije. Yes, we all know that Bogije is on the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Now, you can see from what has been going on in the last 7 months that there is currently massive development within that particular axis. And if you have not seen the first tour of the Ibeju Lekki, then definitely you need to click the link that will pop up in this video. Now, let me tell you that currently, the Lekki Ekpe Expressway is experiencing expansion, yes, and a whole lot of companies are moving into this particular axis. I have been saying this, that if you need a location to come into right now, like you want to see massive growth, then you should be coming to Ibeju Lekki. Now, from Bogije down to the Refinery Road, there has been serious expansion and there has been serious growth within the space of 7 months. Now, you can see from Bogije down to Eleko Junction, there is expansion going on and there are new companies that are currently coming up in that particular location. Now, driving into the Refinery Road, you can see that a lot of shopping malls, a lot of businesses are coming up and all that. You can see from the last time that the expansion that is going on this road is actually bringing in more developments because, of course, more businesses are moving in. Now, let's move straight down to the Refinery Road. Now, we have the deep sea port that is really, in fact, I can say this is the highlight of my tour of this particular location. It is massive. Like, the deep sea port is really an experience that I wish anyone needs to come and have. Yes, you can reach out to us and we'll take you down to this axis. And also, aside Power Oil, Indomie Factory, Dano Milk that we already know that is resident inside the free zone, we currently have Colgate. Yes, the owners of the popular Colgate toothpaste right inside the free zone. And there are so many oil and gas companies, as in currently I can count conveniently about 5 oil and gas companies that are currently resident inside this free zone. And also we have Pinnacle Oil and Gas right inside the free zone. Now, the Dangote jetty is already functional, and also we have other steel and iron companies, as in a whole lot of companies are in this particular location. So trust me, your next investment destination should be Ibeju Lekki.
You see this coastal road? It is a game changer for this corridor and Lagos in general. I would say stack up as many plots as you can, because when the government completes the coastal road, property values here will go from here to outer space. The coastal road is your ticket to skyrocketing land values, bringing more accessibility, traffic, and commercial opportunities to every plot in this area.
And that is why I have taken the initiative to help you look for the best of real estate investments within this particular axis.
This property comes with amazing features such as street lights, surveillance camera, 24-hour power supply, recreational center, drainage system, good road network, potable water, and many more. Imagine the rapid development ongoing at Ibeju Lekki. How much would this property cost in the next 72 months? While you're saying a place is far and underdeveloped, somebody is buying to resell to you at a multiplied rate. Dream big, set goals, take action, own a land today,